Today guys, I will show you how to add friends on Roblox. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Roblox first like this. And after opening your Roblox, you have to go right now and click here. And right now go and click on friends and click add friends. And you can sync your contacts if you have a friends on your contact, or share a QR code to add your contact, or click here, search for people and search for them here, like me. And then you will find people from here, as you can see, and click add. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.